High ping can significantly affect your gaming experience in Fortnite. Here are some steps to help you lower your ping and enjoy smoother gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable and faster connection. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online applications. Step 3. Change server region. In Fortnite, go to the settings menu and change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, lowering your ping. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal performance. This may include enabling quality of service QoS settings to prioritize gaming traffic or updating your router firmware. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues on their end or suggest a plan that better suits your gaming needs. By following these steps, you should be able to lower your ping and enhance your Fortnite gaming experience. Happy gaming!